As the dog days of summer fade, where should you consider putting your money going into the fall? My next guest says it's all about the yield. IHT Wealth Management President Steve Dudash is here to tell you exactly which companies are best for high yields. I just want to ask you about your predictions for September, because historically September can be a rough month. August was fairly flat, even though the Dow and the Nasdaq, the Dow and the S&P are ending negative. Do you think that September is going to be that rough for investors?
It could be. It could be definitely rough with the political circus that we're just starting to really ramp into, and with what just happened with Apple a couple days ago. Large multinationals, you got to be warned right now. The EU won a battle there, and they're going to have their targets on everybody else. Microsoft, Google, Amazon, companies like that with large war chests of cash and that have been hiding money overseas for a little while there. You got to be careful. So could it get volatile? Absolutely.
All right, well, let's talk about the jobs report. We had ADP out today. It was pretty much just in line, 177. That's the private payroll side of things for the month of August. Big jobs report on Friday. That dictates what the Fed is likely going to do. What are you expecting there?
Well, to be honest with you, I don't know if that number is going to dictate a lot of what the Fed's going to do anymore. I think we've kind of started hitting the unemployment numbers where we thought we were going to be, or where they wanted us to get to. I know the underemployment's still there, but I don't know if this job report's, unless it's dramatically different, if it's way higher or way lower, then it's a different story. But if it's within that range of 125,000 or so, you're probably going to be okay there. I think the Fed is more interested in what's going on in interest rates overseas, and that's dictating, we don't want the dollar to get too strong, and therefore, that's what we're kind of looking at on that side.
That's what's affecting oil prices and what's affecting the industry. Really quick, we had...
Right. I like the real estate sector right now. We're looking for yield. We're looking for things that are not correlated to the overall market. We're looking for U.S.-centric positions right now, given what we were just talking about. So,
well, there's
yes,
the
those
bell.
would be prime
And there's
examples.
the bell. Let's make our folks some money.